Removing tattoos from photos no longer requires advanced editing skills or complex tools. AI can now handle it smoothly in just a few simple steps. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Gemini, then open the tool and switch to the Create Image option. For better and more accurate results, select the Pro version before starting your edit. Next, upload your image using the plus icon and write a detailed prompt clearly describing that you want the tattoo removed while keeping everything else in the image unchanged. You can even mention details like maintaining natural skin tone, texture, lighting, and shadows, so the final result looks realistic. Once everything is set, submit your request and let the AI process the edit automatically. Within moments, the AI carefully removes the tattoo and blends the area naturally with the surrounding skin, preserving the overall quality of the image. The result looks clean and professionally edited without any visible traces. Once your image is ready, simply download it with a single click and use it for personal projects, social media, or professional work. This AI workflow makes complex photo editing fast, accurate, and accessible to anyone without needing manual editing skills.